Meaning of division bell.
Division bell.
Division bell.
Division bell.
Division bell. Division Bell is the title of the 14th album by the British rock band Pink Floyd, released in 1994. The term division bell refers to an ornate bell located in the House of Commons in London, which is rung to signal a vote. The album's theme revolves around communication and the breakdown of relationships, both personal and political. It explores themes of isolation, paranoia, and the need for human connection. The result is a deeply introspective and emotional work that ranks among Pink Floyd's most acclaimed albums.